Why? Why? Why?
Crazy, you know. I was actually never, like, I'm not saying I'm not a fan, because you are a really good beatboxer. I'm not saying, like, girls can't beat. You have, like, 50,000 people that actually follow you, and you do what you love to do, and I'm kind of jealous, because I love doing it, but, man, I have respect for you. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Good for you. You got what you wanted, and you love it, so that's another plus.
Thank you.
What up?
Hi.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. I just got off work and I was like, hey, before I go record my album, let me hop on Omegle and see if I can meet.
Ooh, album.
I'm gonna drop that PVC, all of you up on your feet, dancing and grooving and moving on to the swing beep. Swing, 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 dancing and grooving and moving on to the swing beat. Dancing and grooving. It's good to know that I can do that one in full, so when I go to record later, I can get it the first try.
I don't know what to say. That was freaking amazing. That was so good.
You again. Oh my god. Do you remember me?
I think I remember you.
When I was like this. Oh fuck my ass.
Oh, yeah. What are you doing?
I'm a male stripper.
No, stop it.
Stop it.
I will keep my pants on, but I will rip a shirt for you.
Why? Why are you doing this?
Because professional gaming doesn't really pay off, so I resorted of getting through high school by stripping.
Wave. Holy f***ing shit. Holy shit.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, now I'm fantastic.
Well, that's great.
Right? No. That was
Thank
awesome.
you.
She's the winner.
Definitely.
That's better than the note. Alright. We spent about 3 weeks writing this song, so
Alright.
here we go. 1, 2, 3.
That's all we got. Nailed it.
That was beautiful. That was so beautiful.
Thank you. It's available on SoundCloud. Go find it. It's called The Note.
Wait, can you do it again?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Nailed it. Yeah.
Oh! Wait. Ready? Yo, I just failed at that.
Okay.
Please give me.
No! Oh, bro!
Ah,
No! Oh, I found you. So many people were saying that you're on here.
yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's you. It's you. It's fucking you. It's you. Oh, dude.
I like your beanie.
Oh, thank you.
People are so fucking. Wait.
Hi.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Oh my god. Wait. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I know you. Oh my god.
Oh gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I like watch all your videos. Oh my god.
Yeah.